Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can easily make a Reels remix video using your friend's Reel video on Instagram. So here I have already opened my Instagram, and let's say that I want to remix this Reels video. So what you guys need to do is just click on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the Reel video, and here you'll find remix option. Click on that option and there will be a question, where would you like your clip? So you can put your clips with the original video side by side like this, or you can also put your video after the original video. So you can just choose which one that you think fits your need the best. I'm going to go with after, for example. Then in here you just need to take your clips. Just click on this shutter button in here and then record yourself, or you can also add a video from your gallery. Okay, after that you can just upload it, and your friends will be notified that you are using their video as a remix. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Thank you.